Hello friends, we have an unboxing today. You're not going to want to miss it, stay tuned.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Guys, first of all, let me give you the little background story here. I bought my daughter a bag for Christmas and she loved it like 6 months ago. But then when it showed up under the Christmas tree, she's like, I think my tastes have changed. I might want a different color. So I'm like, no problem. That's why I keep the receipts. I got you. We can go get whatever you want. Let's do that. So we went to the mall and to return the bag. We returned the bag and there was nothing that she loved while we were there. So she held it as we call it a mommy credit. So she'll, I'm sure, be getting something in the future. But while we were there, this is such like an uncharacteristic bag for me. I saw this bag and I had seen like the big version of it at Disney Springs. And I was like, oh my God, that bag is a dream, but it's way too big for me. And it's so cute, but it's too big. I'm short. I'm like 5'4", and it was too big. But when we went in to return her bag, I saw like a mini version of it, and I'm like, oh, I think I'm obsessed. But the problem is the mini version that they had in the store, it had a broken handle, and she's like, we can't sell it, but I can show it to you. And I just fell in love. And then I went home and I could not find it anywhere. And they were sold out. So we'll do the unboxing and then I'll tell you kind of the rest of the story of kind of how I found the bag. And I can't wait to get you guys' thoughts on it because I didn't think this was not even on my radar at all. But when I literally went home and I was like, I got to find this bag. When I found it, I was so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So it also came early. It wasn't supposed to come for a few days and it just showed up on the doorstep today. So you'll be able to see where it's from here, I think, in just a minute. It's so good. I can't wait. And can I just say, like, Coach is having such a moment. Let me get in here so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about this. So, if you haven't already figured it out, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Is it weird that I love this more than some of my like super designer bags? This is so adorable. So it's the mini Kisslock in, I don't know if they call it rainbow crystal or what they call this. Hang on, let me get all these things off. But when we were at Disney Springs, I saw the giant one. If you guys haven't seen it, you have to look it up online. It's so good, but it's so big. And I just knew and also like I have hips, so I feel like that one would have just looked weird on my frame. But this one right here for like fun little like, I don't know, going out to dinner or like not having to get one of the Chanel's out of the closet, but having something super cute and super fun. I mean, look at this. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I can't. Let me get the rest of this off so we can get a good look at her. I'm just like, let's get this stuff out of here and get my new girl in production. Oh, and it does come with a chain, so you can wear it crossbody as well. I'm making a super big mess here, but has a little pocket on the inside, which is good too. Let me get these little plastic ones off. And this is so cute. I'm going to have to get these other ones off with like some scissors, but that's at least enough where you guys can see. And the strap kind of, the way that it comes up is it has these little like brass areas that kind of fit into the Kisslock so it closes. And then you also can clip the crossbody on and wear it crossbody. So how cute is this though? I just think this is the cutest thing ever. And I was messing around with like styling this before I even got it, because I use this app called Stylebook, and I love it. I just have the free version of it, but I can literally load in things that I buy and try them with different outfits, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear this with like bright colors. And what I realized is the best thing to pair this with is totally neutral. So check out like these little renderings that I put together for outfits of things that are out of my closet, and I cannot wait to just wear this girl. And the fact that she's tiny and crossbody, I also think like, and you guys know I'm a Disney girly, how cute will this be wearing at Epcot? Like, can't you just see that like with the ball changing colors? I don't know. Is this like in my dream of things happening? And it's so funny. So I mentioned on my last video, I'm going to start this new series called Booked by the Bag, meaning I start with a bag and then I decide on a destination on like where I would take her and where we would stay. You guys know I'm a CEO in the travel industry, so I'm doing travel stuff all the time. But I thought, how fun would it be to talk about a destination, where we would take the bag, and what we would wear, kind of from a luxury mindset, but also like just to generate fun ideas. You guys might learn a little bit about travel, or you'll learn about new brands. And this was not on my radar when I was kind of mapping out the ones that I wanted to do, because of course some of them are dream bags. I'm not going to buy every single bag. Most of them on that series we're probably not going to buy. But this one I thought, oh my gosh, you know what this says to me? Maybe like Miami Beach, right? Maybe we'll go since that's so close here. But we'll see. I'm still going to play around with that, and we'll be launching Booked by the Bag very soon. But do you guys love this? How cute is she? I'm going to try on the crossbody here in a second, so you guys can see what she looks crossbody too. But this is just the perfect size for me. I love a tiny bag when I'm running quick errands. And also this is like I said, it's not like you have one of the luxury girls out that you have to worry about. Like here in Florida especially, I have some suede bags and I'm always like hesitant to kind of take them out because I'm like, oh my gosh, is it going to get wet? Is it going to get messed up? But Coach being at a little bit more friendlier price point, I think this is so fun. And she's so beautiful. I love her. I just feel like she's a unicorn and I'm going to have so much fun with this bag. Honestly, this is my favorite thing in my collection right now, which seems silly, but it is what it is. I'm glad I found it. And the rest of the story. So this is sold out on the Coach site, at least at the time of this filming of this video. I found it at Dillard's, of all places. So I found it online at Dillard's. I'm curious to know, can I take this into Coach and like have your initials put on it? Like, you guys remember I got the Empire earlier in the year and I had them put my initials and it was so cute. I would love to do the same thing with her, but I don't know if they do that if you didn't buy it at Coach. I mean, I'd guess that they would. I don't know. If you know in comments, please tell me. I'm going to go later this week because I have to do some other stuff around the mall area. And I would love to get that kind of our initials on it to kind of finish the thing. So let me know what you guys think about this bag. Is this something you would put in your collection? What would you wear it with? Would you dare do the giant Kisslock bag? I still am obsessed with that giant bag. I wish I was like 5'7" and can pull that giant one off because it is such a vibe. You Instagram girlies that are wearing that, I love you. Keep posting your content. It's so good. And I just love to see it like out there in the world, but it was just too big. It's too big for me. I couldn't do it. But this little girl, just perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to remind you that true wealth is health, happiness, and joy. Everything else is just sparkle, but we do love the sparkle. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Suitcase packed, world on my side, luxury living joy is my guide.